Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Yep, I am heading out. As you can see, I'm heading out because I am going to do some RV hunting. I've been RV hunting since last year, and I'm really trying to find a nice RV, but I'm kind of cheap, right? So I want something that I can fix up and I can make it my own, and I don't want it to be very expensive. So I looked at quite a couple of them, and some of them I could have filmed it, some of them didn't want to be filmed, some of them people have their possessions in it still and they're selling it and they didn't take it out yet, so all kind of stuff like that. But today I'm gonna go see one, so I want to take you guys along with me. And if you know anything about RV, like in particular that I should be worried about, please let me know, and I will yeah, so I have an idea and that you know what I'm doing. All right, so come along, follow me as I go look at this RV, and I'm gonna take my neighbor with me for company because my husband is not here. All right, so I am going to head off to get my neighbor. She's waiting for me. I am not going to be filming her because some people do not like to be on camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna go pick her up and then we'll continue our journey onwards. Okay.
Now, one thing you will need to change is the lock because I was only given one key and then I lost it over the winter.
Okay.
So the only way to get in was to drill out the lock.
Oh, so you gotta put a brand.
Oh, no.
Just remove this?
Lock,
It's easy. That's easy to do.
Okay.
which you'd probably want to do anyways. I mean,
Yeah.
most people want to change locks, but
On my property side, yeah.
I don't know if you can move.
Can you
I've
move
never,
that?
I've never. Oh well, this will be removed.
Okay.
This has been sold.
Okay.
Okay.
The deck might be sold, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm only asking a couple hundred, and there's way more wood
Wood worth it.
that's in
Yeah.
good
Do you mind if I
shape.
come with your shoes?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay.
Kids come and go from here all the time.
Okay.
Ebony.
So, just a quick question. Can we move it out of here? Cause
It should be.
I want to make sure I can move it.
Do you have someone who can help? Like,
Well,
help you.
Oh,
move?
well, we pull it with a truck.
Yeah.
But this pulls in, right?
But this pulls in.
This will pull in manually, but there's a solid roof on top to prevent any more leaks. The roof has got to be taken off.
So we are actually talking about moving the motorhome because this motorhome is inside a trailer park, and the motorhome is about 20 years old and it's situated between like two other motorhomes, and there's a lot of things around the motorhome. So we want to make sure that the motorhome can be moved out of there before I make a decision whether I am going to purchase it and whether a truck can come into the trailer yard in the area where it is to be moved it. Just one minor concern, there was a little leak between the bathroom and the bedroom, and she said it was fixed and she haven't seen any water come in, but she just wanted to let me know that there was a leak between there. So as far as I see, and as she explained to me, all the major systems are working for the toilet, the bathroom, the sink, the heating, the gas lines and stuff like that. Everything is working. So it seems okay. And we're going to go outside and have a look at what is happening, outside. And it goes here. It's set up here.
Yeah, that leak is just from this.
Yeah, you just have to put a
I've gotta
little,
replace the
the thingy.
another one of those on it.
Yeah.
But you need to reseal the roof anyways, once you move it, because
It cracks.
it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, it is in pretty good shape.
22 years old.
Wow. And you said that this part.
I used to live in something like this year round,
Really?
but
Like,
here,
was it cold? Wasn't that cold in the winter?
well, we insulated underneath,
Okay.
and then I had no problem.
Right on the side here, there's a little bit of issue because there's a big hole there and you can see the flooring poking
This
through. So
has
that's
your,
gonna definitely need fixing. So that's just one of the major concerns also with that. Also, the part that pulls in the extension does not work. Okay, so this is the bedroom. What it looks like. Pretty big. You have all the space. Exit door. And you come out. Bathroom. Bathroom looks amazing. Nice mirror. This. Lots of space right here. There's a nice cupboard against here. Then there's a nice couch here. Then the table goes there. Microwave, kitchen. Nice stove. Every single thing in here, everything works. Stove. This is gonna be removed. A nice thing here. Okay, y'all, we finished looking at the motorhome and I really love it. There's another motorhome that I want to go see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go see it because I'm just in love with this one because it's so clean, it's so big, everything is just well kept, everything is working, the heating, the fridge, the stove, everything is in really good condition, the flooring is good. And she said she's gonna give me, like, you know, a really big chunk of money off of it. So I'm thinking that I should take it and give her a deposit for it and stuff like that. But it was really nice. So I'll keep you guys up to date and posted on what I've decided. But I gotta go see another one. The guy's supposed to send me some photos of the inside. He did send me some photos, but for some reason the photos are not working. I'm unable to open it up to see it. Anyways, let me put my glasses on because I can't see a thing. I'm talking blind. I hope I don't have anything on my face. Okay. Oh, that's better. Now I can see. Anyways, yeah, so the pictures are not opening, so I can't see inside because this guy place is like kind of far away. It's almost 2 hours away, and I'm thinking if I'm going to drive all this way, you know, I need to see the inside. So hopefully I'll see his pictures tonight. I'll make a decision whether I should take the motorhome or not. So that's, I have to decide because this is like my 5th motorhome I watch, and hers so far is the best, the cleanest, and the nicest. All right, so I just dropped my neighbor off and I'm gonna head home now, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Remember, you're beautiful, stay gorgeous, think beautiful thoughts in your brain, and I will see you in the next video. And maybe in the next video I'll be a new owner of our thingy. All right, ciao.